Alrighty, in our last video, we learned how to center a ball of clay with 3 fingers on the miniature pottery wheel. If you missed that video, you can check it out with the link above me. And today we're going to learn about how we are going to open that ball of clay with this throwing stick. Here we go. Alright, so again, at this stage of the throwing, I'm going to be using full speed. I usually like to use this end of the stick. There's a bunch of different ones you can use. Some of these pottery wheels come with something like this. It also works really well. You can use this end or this end. But what we're going to do here is we're going to find the center. I usually like to support off the edge of the wheel and another hand. Find the center here. Start to go right down in. Now, if you're throwing with your hands, typically you can feel the clay start to dry out. You can feel how low you are into the ball of clay. Now something like this, as I'm going down in, I'll mark the top of the clay just like that with my finger on the tool, lift it out, mark on the outside, and I can see roughly how deep I am into the ball of clay. And that is actually how I will open this up. Now once I'm open, I'm actually going to set my base by pulling towards myself with the stick, and that opens up my ball of clay. Now that it's opened, the next step here would be actually to start pulling the walls of the vase or the cylinder or whatever you're going to make, and then you can start using some texture cards or some other ribs, sewing ribs, to get some fun shapes in there. That will be in the next video, so check back for that one later.